Hey everyone, in today's quick video I'm excited to show you the Matsato knife. It comes in a beautiful high-quality box with a magnetic closure and protective rubber casing to keep the knife safe and secure. Once you remove the plastic edge guard, you'll see how sharp and sleek the blade really is. This hole here is for your index finger, and your thumb rests comfortably on top of the blade, giving you full control while cutting. The handle is made from roasted beechwood, offering a firm and ergonomic grip. I could already tell just by holding it that it would make cutting super easy. So I grabbed an orange to test it out, and wow. The knife glided through it like butter. Seriously, no effort needed. It's incredibly sharp, which actually makes it safer than a dull knife. Less force, more precision, and less chance of slipping. The instructions recommend rinsing and drying the blade right after use, especially because of the dimpling on the surface, which could hold on to water or food. It's easy to clean, and you can store it safely right back in the box. I'm super impressed and can already tell this will be my go-to knife in the kitchen. If you're looking for a stylish, razor-sharp knife that delivers professional-level precision, you need to try the Matsato knife. Ready to upgrade your kitchen game? Click the link in the description to get yours now. See you next time.